I'm Rob the Ranger, and welcome to your safari highlights.
Saca de ahí porque no te
Ya acá se ve bárbaro. Va a estar, a ver, tan.
Who is on one?
Que te filme de acá abajo.
Dan, you can make your way in here while he's on the yellow.
No, no me puedo parar.
Mira para acá.
Ay, que me
Miren esa
salga.
foto.
Sneeze.
Miren esa foto.
Your stomach.
Jag la vet tu.
Dame que te filme. Por favor. Filma.
Give me back to the channel.
Magic.
La velocidad. Pues tiene que cazar en un periodo muy rápido, muy corto. Perfecto. Y puede cazar con bastante éxito, pero no puede defender lo que ha cazado. No lo puede subir en un árbol porque no tiene las uñas retractables.
Hyenas were taking buffalo down here, there, and everywhere.
It's funny how they all lie down together.
Yeah.
Like very close.
Earlier today, there was some around Scotia Dam.
There's someone away there, thank you very much.
Todos amontonados.
And sometimes when they're in a playful enough mood, if you're close enough when they're having a drink, you get a squirt.
Bless you.
Yeah. Then I'm going to go up and join them there.
¿Te acuerdas que ayer cuando estábamos viendo os dije que las termitas tienen un rol muy importante ecológico, que contribuyen en muchas maneras? Pues esto es una de ellas. Puedes ver que todo el mundo las come y hay toneladas de termitas. ¿Ves el tamaño que tienen sus ojos? Imagínate si un ojo de ese tamaño fuera redondo, ¿cuánto espacio ocuparía dentro de la cabeza? ¿Sabes cómo están los ojos?
I believe so.
I thought home was in Matthew's cupboard.
I know. I see Hichu like, hey, Jules get in.
bit more aggressive than usual. See how he acts and reacts if he walks closer to us. A must is a situation where they get extra load of testosterone and urge to find a female to mate with. If they haven't found a female to mate
It's actually the 1, 2, 3rd one.
with. There's one on the second one as well between the horns. One on the back. There'll be a couple in the trees as well. Very long and sleek. See, very small head for a predator though. Big eyes, big nose, but small mouth. Big eyes to see its prey with.
What are you looking at?
A bit. I'll wait for you then. I'm still with Ethan Glove. It's Dumfries Newington.
Yeah, I'm Dumfries West, I'll come and give you a hand there, Black.
Yeah, I had to turn down the...
It's like, what are you thinking to do?
There's an open sore in the side of the body.
Omega, do you copy? Omega, did you cross the equals? Omega, come in.
Because sometimes they do spend time away from the adult lioness there, calling the others.
Got your guys' visual.
Keep coming round, I'll go out the other way. That's all we've got for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And you can follow me on all the social network thingies as well.